Alright, here's a sharp 32 Roadster. Nice looking Ford drop top. Now, this is a Downs body. It is a glass car. Nice thing about this car, it does have a fold-away retractable top. This hatch right here is power, will lift up. There is a convertible top in there. As you can see, a boot covering all that. So nice, tidy looking Roadster. Before this video is over, I'm going to flip up that top. We'll put in the side curtains. Has side curtains also, so you could actually button this up, stay relatively dry. I mean, especially for a 32 Roadster, let's put it that way. Now, some other modern amenities on this car. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter LS1 engine out of an 04 Corvette. So it's got to be a 350 horse engine, 360 pound-feet of torque. And that is paired with a 4L60E transmission, so it does have automatic with overdrive. That's a lot of horsepower to weight ratio in this car, and set up to go down the road. Now, it does have four-wheel disc brakes at each corner. Also has Borgenson steering joints. Sanderson coated headers, 2¼ inch exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. If you want to check out any of the still pictures, you can see underneath the hood, the engine bay, under the car, check out the trunk, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, as far as the hood and the nose go here, the nose and the hood are metal, FYI. Those would be steel, the rest of the body glass. 15-inch circle racing wheels. And again, this is a power hatch. I'll show you where the switch is over on the other side. Interior-wise, call it kind of a cocoa brown, nice rich looking interior, nice color combination with the champagner pewter exterior, Kenwood stereo. There's your vintage air controls, and it does have classic instrument gauges. Nice look in the interior, 1940s steering wheel over there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See a third brake light down there, dual exhaust. Does have a forward rear end, 355 gears. Positive traction also. Aluminum gas tank. C frame rails. Rear tri-bar. And again, you can see that all on the underside pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link right down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. All right, let's fire this up, check out what it looks like underneath the hood, and then, like I said, at the end, I'll get the top up, those side curtains in, we'll check that out too. Of course, see how easily that starts, because yes, fuel injection. Odometer reached 3898. Cannot confirm if that's been since it's built or since the gauges were put in, but sounds good. This baby's got some power again for the weight to horsepower ratio on it. Alright. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run, and we'll pop the hood, check out that engine bay. Nice sounding car. I like the Flowmasters. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get this hood opened up for you, and let's check out that LS1.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, let's look at this. So you go, power brakes. Again, 5.7 liter LS1. There's your Sandine coated headers. So this car looks nice in the engine bay too. Slip around to the other side. Now, I mentioned earlier the vintage air or the AC. There's your compressor. It does blow cold. So like I said, once you have that top buttoned up, you could actually turn the AC on and have the side curtains in if you wanted to, or they keep it dry with the top up. We're going to check that out here just in a second. So there you go. Nice looking engine bay, great power plant. So I tell you what, I'm going to turn it off, close the hood up, and let's finish off checking out that convertible top setup. All right, flipped up the Roadster top for you here. Like I said earlier, Mercedes-Benz cloth, and it is a nice fabric, no doubt about that. Try to get there you go, that's kind of the true color, but I mean, it's a nice cocoa brown. The video wants to kind of wash it out a little bit. Rear window does unsnap and unzip out of there, so if you wanted to vent it or take that completely out but still have the top up for shade or what have you, you could do that. And of course, like I said earlier, the front windshield will turn so you can be vented that way too. But as you can see, free of rips, tears, holes. It's going to do its job and keep you dry, no doubt about that. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and put the side curtains in too so you can see those in the car, get an idea how those fit. So there's the side curtains in. Like I said, they actually fit pretty nice. This would actually keep you as dry as you could be in a 32 Ford Roadster. A lot of them obviously don't even have the top or the side curtains, but slip around to this side so you can see it too. Just wanted to get you an idea what those side curtains look like in there. So pretty functional Roadster here. You want to know more? Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 1932 Ford Downs body Roadster with a retractable soft top. Look forward to hearing from you.